Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today's video is on the topic of social and emotional learning for students. When it comes to our educational system, many of us focus solely on academic success. However, it's essential to recognize the importance of social and emotional learning in students. So, what exactly is social and emotional learning, SEL, is? SEL, like social and emotional learning, is a process in which children and adults develop and apply the knowledge, attitudes, and skills necessary to understand and manage emotions, set and achieve positive goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain positive relationships, and make responsible decisions. Now you might be wondering why this is such an important topic. Emotional and social learning is not just nice to have, it's essential in today's world. In a world where technology is rapidly advancing and online communication is becoming more prevalent, the ability to connect with others on a deep level is becoming increasingly important. Additionally, emotional and social learning can help us to reduce bullying, promote mental health, and improve academic achievements. So, with all that said, what is the role of teachers in promoting emotional and social learning? Well, teachers play a crucial role in ensuring that their students develop these competencies. They do this by creating a safe and supportive learning environment, modeling positive behaviors, and implementing strategies for promoting emotional and social learning. Let's talk about some of the specific strategies that teachers can use to promote emotional and social learning. One of the most effective strategies is to incorporate social and emotional learning curriculum into their lessons. This might include activities that help students to develop empathy, communication skills, and conflict resolution skills. Another strategy is to encourage positive behaviors in the classroom. This might mean praising students for demonstrating kindness, generosity, and other positive traits. Additionally, teachers can create opportunities for students to collaborate together, which can help to develop teamwork and their social skills. School management can also implement school-wide programs such as peer monitoring programs, anti-bullying initiatives, and positive reinforcement programs. These programs can help create a supportive culture that promotes positive behavior. But why do we need to focus on social and emotional learning in school in the first place? Unfortunately, our society often overlooks the significance of emotional development. By focusing on academics alone, we may neglect the importance of nurturing emotional intelligence in our children. Emotional intelligence is essential for success in our personal and professional lives. It allows us to form healthy relationships, manage stress, and making thoughtful decisions. By introducing SEL into our school's curriculum, we provide students with a solid foundation for emotional intelligence that will stay with them throughout their lives. Finally, teachers can serve as role models for their students. By demonstrating positive behaviors such as active listening, empathy, and respect for others, teachers can teach their students these important skills by example. In conclusion, social and emotional learning plays a very important role in fostering overall well-being and academic success. By implementing these programs in school and creating a supportive culture, we can nurture emotional intelligence and create a bright future for ourselves. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.